No, people who are not exactly attractive find love easier than those who are actually attractive. I don't know.
I think so.
Because
if you're attractive, people are just gonna throw themselves at you, right?
yeah, pero people who are unattractive, parang it's easier for them to find people who are unattractive as well. And like
And they just gonna be pitiful together.
not naman pitiful together, but there's the love. There's the
So are you saying when two attractive people get together, there's no love?
there is love, but it's like a pretty kind of love because it's nice to look at.
As opposed to the ugly?
Yeah. And diba they say that when two ugly people are together, it's like true love because they don't see the physical shit and shit.
But shouldn't that be that way with pretty people also? Right?
Yeah, pero it's like, kasi if you see two ugly people together, it's like, you're both blind and you do not see what you, it's more superficiality.
Diba?
Oh, yun na lang.
What diba when they say, I wouldn't know, obviously. That when two people love each other, you're beautiful na automatically in the other person's eyes.
Yeah, but we're not talking about the other person's eye, we're talking about society. That's why the people joke about, and if like a handsome guy is with a pretty girl, with an ugly girl, it's like, true love, and when not so handsome guy is with a girl who is awfully pretty, galing yung damos niyan, or something, shit. Yung parang it's never about their personality, like, they compliment each other, and shit. There's always has to be parang, true love,
So I should never go for a pretty guy.
No,
because society would like judge me.
well, society naman judges everything eh.
Pretty guy, ugly girl, like,
And
and you
society.
just agreed with me. You just agreed that I'm ugly.
No, that was not the word I had!
You just agreed that I'm ugly.
Not me! Okay, wallow. My bread. I'm asked to buy bread. Because I have my family to feed.
Because your family only eats bread, apparently.
In the morning.
You end that.
That's what.